In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new tag in Insightly. Tags are a really simple but powerful way to organize your records in Insightly, whether you're working with contacts, organizations, leads, or opportunities. Instead of digging through filters every time, you can quickly group records with tags and then pull them up later with just a click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a new tag while you're working with your records, using the bulk edit feature. First, open Insightly and navigate to your contacts page. You can also follow this same process from any other record list, like organizations or leads, but we'll use contacts as the example, so it's easy to follow along. Once you're on the contacts list, look at the left side of the table where each record has a checkbox. Choose any record and check the box next to it. You only need one record selected to create a new tag, so don't worry about selecting your whole list just yet. You can always apply the tag to more records later. After checking the box, look toward the top of the page. You'll see a menu with options, including one labeled Bulk Edit, usually near the Actions menu. Click on Bulk Edit. This tells Insightly that you want to make changes to multiple records at once, even if you currently selected only a single one. When the Bulk Edit panel or window opens, you'll see several options you can adjust. Look for the section related to tags and find the checkbox labeled Add Tags. Go ahead and check this box. This enables the tag field so you can add a new one. You should now see a text box where you can type in your new tag name. Click into that box and type the tag you want to create. Try to choose a name that's clear and consistent with how your team names things, for example, using singular or plural consistently, and avoiding special characters that might confuse searches later. As soon as you type a new tag name and save, Insightly will create that tag and apply it to the record or records you've selected. Once you've entered the tag name, scroll down to the bottom of the Bulk Edit window. Review your choices if you've changed anything else, then click Save Bulk Edits. Insightly will process the changes, create your new tag, and attach it to the selected record. That's it. You've just created a new tag in Insightly using Bulk Edit, and you can now use that tag across your records to keep everything organized and easy to find.